On this week's 2-minute tip, how to customize your drip irrigation system to water or fertilize only a row or a couple rows at a time. So you've got your drip irrigation system set up in your garden so you can water more effectively and more efficiently, but you've got some crops that are going to need more water than others, or some crops that are going to need more fertilizer than others. So maybe you've got some okra, which isn't a heavy feeder, doesn't require a lot of water or fertilizer, planted right beside some corn, which is a heavy feeder and needs a lot of water and fertilizer. So there's two easy solutions to solve this problem. One is called a drip tape row start valve. The other option is called a mainline connector valve. So this is a drip tape row start valve, and it allows you to connect between your main line with this barb right here and your drip tape right here. And with the little valve switch on top here, you can turn off or turn on individual rows of drip tape. So if the valve's open, you can see right through there and water's going to flow through it. And if the valve is closed, you're not getting any water flow through it. And this is a mainline connector valve. So this connects between two pieces of mainline and allows you to shut off or turn on an entire section of your garden or several rows at a time. So you can create zones in your garden and only water those certain zones when you wish, or only fertilize those certain zones when you wish. So if I don't want to water this section of the garden, I can simply turn that valve off and no more water is going to go past this point right here. So if you've got some heavy feeding crops like corn or onions in your garden that are going to need lots of water and fertilizer, but you've also got some crops that aren't very heavy feeders like okra or maybe some others that are not going to require a lot of water and fertilizer, you may want to consider using these row start valves or these mainline connector valves to customize your drip irrigation setup so you can give each crop exactly what it needs. And we hope you enjoyed this week's 2-minute tip. Catch us next week where we'll have another 2-minute tip that's going to be something that will help make gardening easier for you.